Our next school is known to perform well in track and field, and now they are ready to take over the ATS stage. Please give it up for the Bellefield High School.
And every school I go like we still we ivory. And we not love life in a Bellefield style. And every school I go like we still we ivory. And we not love life when the know say a Bellefield time. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Da 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 dee da da da. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Let them know success don't come overnight. I bet you know how sometimes overnight. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Do it for the love, we not do it no school of life.
That's alright. We are sing and a group on site. See them on social media hype. One like say them are the best thing alive. But all them a sing off key every time. Not a little smile face so I like lime. Everybody else just a do it for the hype. Or a do it for the likes.
Well, that simply means you're not ready yet. The NDS 2017 best. While on the so we salute the judges every time. Yo. And this is every foot upon a high. Yo. And if we never give it short time. Yo. Still we don't need for the light, that's why.
My God, tell me no bad like way. I never find in a bad like way. My God, tell me no bad like way. I never chat in a bad like way. Certain school in a bad like way. They can't go speak you like way. They can't go speak your ways like way. Can't see no power in that way. My God, tell me no bad like way. My God, tell me no bad like way. I never find in a bad like way. My God, tell me no bad like way. I never chat in a bad like way.
Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Do it for the love, we not do it for the life.
Bellefield, that was well done. And when something bad like that, we say it up. We say it. It what? Let me hear it again.
All right, since Dennis is dealing with the hype, I'll deal with the singing. All right, it's always a challenge to take a song that is a solo and try to arrange it for a choir. And you guys showed so much creativity in what you tried to do, and you did it successfully. The parts were nice. I love the changes, and you did a lot of little surprises. You changed your dynamics and everything. This was a very good show.